Are you ready for an Alexa that actually understands you? Amazon is betting big that you are, and their new Echo Dot Max and Echo Studio 2025 are at the forefront of this AI-powered revolution. I recently had the chance to put these devices through their paces, and let me tell you, the experience was intriguing. On October 29th, 2025, at precisely 2 p.m. UTC, my testing began with a simple yet crucial query. Alexa, what new things can you do? Like countless others, my relationship with Alexa has been fairly limited. Music requests, weather updates, and the occasional smart home command comprise the bulk of our interactions. These devices have become ubiquitous, but have they truly lived up to their potential? Amazon seems to think not, and they're aiming to change that. The driving force behind this transformation? Advanced Artificial Intelligence, or AI. Amazon.com Inc. is banking on AI to elevate the Echo experience from simple voice commands to something far more sophisticated. The vehicles for this shift are the brand new $100 Echo Dot Max and the $220 Echo Studio. Amazon hopes these devices will fundamentally alter how we interact with Alexa, pushing beyond the basic functionalities we've become accustomed to. We're talking about an Alexa that anticipates your needs, learns from your habits, and engages in more natural, human-like conversations. Think less robotic assistant and more helpful, intuitive companion. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this really what we want from our smart speakers? Some might argue that increased AI integration could raise privacy concerns or lead to an over-reliance on technology. Others might welcome the convenience and enhanced functionality with open arms. What do you think? Are you ready to embrace a more intelligent and proactive Alexa? Or do you prefer the simpler, more limited interactions of the past? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to hear your perspective. And this is the part most people miss. The upgraded AI isn't just about understanding your commands better. It's also about Alexa proactively offering suggestions, anticipating your needs, and even engaging in more complex conversations. For example, instead of just telling you the weather, Alexa might now suggest bringing an umbrella based on the forecast and your usual commute route. Or, if you frequently listen to a certain type of music, Alexa might recommend similar artists or playlists. It's a subtle, but significant shift in how we interact with these devices, moving from reactive commands to proactive assistance. Ultimately, the success of the Echo Dot Max and Echo Studio 2025 will hinge on whether users embrace this new level of AI integration. Are we ready to trust Alexa with more of our lives? And are we comfortable with the potential implications of a truly intelligent virtual assistant? That's the question Amazon is hoping to answer, and the answer will likely shape the future of smart home technology for years to come. What are your predictions? Will Alexa Plus be a hit, or will it fall flat? Let's discuss.